To install the GT350 Emblem letters, you're going to need a microfiber towel, 91% isopropyl alcohol, a pair of latex gloves, and a heat gun or a hairdryer. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the surface with 91% isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you get the towel in between the crevices to remove all dirt and grime. Then grab the hairdryer or a heat gun and on low setting, warm up the emblem letters. Warm it up to about 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Then with the latex gloves on, expose the adhesive on the overlay and begin positioning over the emblem letters. And then grab the heat gun or the hairdryer and once more warm up the surface. And once the surface is warm, go ahead and add a little bit more pressure throughout the overlay to ensure proper adhesion.